friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techer. In this video, I'll be telling you how you can actually use the YouTube floating window in the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. So the reason why I'm doing this video because there's a solution to fix some of the bugs which the floating window has in the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. So I did receive plenty of comments regarding the floating window of YouTube application is not working in the Redmi Note 8 Pro's mobile phone. So in this video, I'll be demonstrating you how you can actually do this floating window make this thing work. So right now you can see I'm playing the YouTube application, and in the background also I'm using the other application Flipkart, and which is working perfectly fine without any problem. Right now you can see here. So in this video I'll be giving you the two major things what you need to do before getting this thing work. And one more thing, I cannot guarantee you this trick might work, but definitely try to use this exactly settings to make sure that we are on same page and we are following the same settings here. So that's why I decided to do this video, but I cannot guarantee this might work. Do comment below if this trick works. Definitely this will be very much helpful for the other users as well. So we need to make sure that everyone as a solution which is actually working. So try to follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you're following every day for the new updates on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. And also to check the links in description for exactly what wallpaper I'm using here, and you can get the more MIUI 12 updates playlist as well. So let's get started with the first thing you need to do is that go to the settings application and go to the additional settings, and here you need to go to the developer options. And once you're in the developer options, scroll to the bottom and try to select this option which is called turn on MI optimization. So which basically means that few of the features which does work when only this option is enabled. So if it is disabled, make sure it is on, turn on. So first step is done. So next step is that you need to go to the YouTube application and go to the app info. So this is very simple, just long press on the YouTube application and go to the app info. Once you are in the app info, so try to go to the battery saver and select the no restriction. As you can see, select that one. So next go to the permissions. Once you're in the permissions, go to the scroll down, and the bottom two, try to turn on these two options. So display pop-up windows while running in the background and display a pop-up window. So these two options should be turned on. So make sure these are green always, as you can see here. So if they are red, make sure they are green. So these are the two things you need to do before making this trick work here. And other thing is that when you're opening the floating window, so make sure you open from the multitasking tray. So let me show you what I mean is that, so when you open the YouTube application, usually I will do like this. So the YouTube application goes to the small pop-up window. As you can see, now I can get the small pop-up window, but sometimes it will close automatically. So don't try to open like that. So go to the multitasking menu here. So if you're in the multitasking menu, go to the YouTube application. Now select the pop-up window. So if you follow this method, then definitely the pop-up window of the YouTube application will work without any problem. So right now you can see it's staying exactly the place where it is, and it's not even closing at all. So if you do the other way around, it will definitely close. So I don't know, there's some issues I think so with this YouTube. So that's why it's closing always. But if I follow this kind of steps and this kind of methods, finally it is working for me in my Redmi Note 8 Pro phone without any problem. So try to follow these two major steps, friends. Go to the developer option and turn on that MI optimization. Next is that go to the YouTube app info and make sure you enable the display pop-up windows. So definitely this should work right now. So right now you can see even I'm playing the videos in the small pop-up window, and I can browse the other applications and I can go anywhere I want, as you can see, friends, which is pretty good and very fantastic application. So thank you for watching this video. For more videos, to subscribe to my channel. Definitely if you are having any other queries regarding the Redmi Note 8 Pros, any issues or any bugs, do comment below. I'll try to find any other solution and I'll try to make a video on that one as soon as possible, definitely. And thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comments below whether this trick is actually working for you or not. So if it is working, definitely it will be very helpful for other users who are actually facing this kind of small pop-up window problem issue in their mobile phones. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.